In this video, we will take a closer look at one of the best drones 2019, the Mavic Air. I will cover the pros and equally important the cons, so make sure to watch this video to the end, as this will probably be the deciding factor to get the drone or not. But before we get to that, let's roll that intro. Welcome to another video. I'm Henrik Olsen, and if you want to learn how to make better videos and pick the best drone for your needs, then consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss out on my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. Who is this drone for? This is probably the best option from DJI for beginners and people that want to travel light. It offers excellent stabilized footage in 4K even in high wind. And you get access to most of the advanced flight modes that is accessible on the more expensive drones from DJI. It's built like a tank, making it a solid choice for someone that have decided to enter the hobby. Mavic Air is a super commercial drone that can be used to semi-professional jobs if this is your only option. In this series of best drones, I'll be covering the best options out there if your purpose flying the drone is to make video. If you disagree or I've left out important information, then let me know in the comment below. What is not to like about the Mavic Air? The 4K footage looks great in daylight, but when it gets dark, it starts to fall apart. With the Wi-Fi connectivity, it's sometimes very difficult to get smooth footage. And combined with 16 to 18 minutes in air, the flight time does feel very short trying to capture that perfect moment. If you're flying around people, then be prepared to get complaints about the noise, as the Mavic Air is probably the most noisy drone in the DJI family. Rumor says this can be fixed by replacing the props with another brand. The Mavic Air has an internal 8GB storage. Are you considering buying the Mavic Air? Then simply write best drone in the comment below. Let's look at the pros. It's a very compact drone, it's lightweight and easy to bring along. It records 4K at an amazing 100 megabit per second, which means that it packs a ton of information on the file stored on your SD card. It has obstacle avoidance in the front, back and below, offering a decent protection of your investment. If you're into using filters with your drone, it has a threaded filter solution that makes it very easy to handle filters in the field. It shoots photos in RAW, offering a lot of options in post-production. You can even get a 32 megapixel panorama picture that is stitched from 25 individual photos. Let's look at the cons for the Mavic Air. Limited flight time. On the box it says 22 minutes, but in reality it's closer to 18. Because it's a Wi-Fi drone, then expect to get poor connectivity when you fly in noisy environments. And with noise, I mean fly in areas where there's a lot of Wi-Fi connections. The prop noise from the Mavic Air is really annoying. It's not so much the noise level, it's more the pitch that makes it sound like a swarm of bees. The SD card design is far from optimal. It makes it difficult to insert and eject the card sometimes. The Mavic Air has no side obstacle avoidance, so you might run into problems using some of the automated flight modes. And don't ask how I know that. If you have decided to give this drone a try, there is a link for your convenience in the description below. If this drone is not for you, then check out this playlist for previous reviewed drone here on the channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to hit the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back on the next one.